guys, Raphael here from Flip English School, and today we're going to talk a little bit about used to and how we use it to talk about past habits and past states, okay? Well, it's a short video, but I hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, so as I said, we're going to talk a little bit about used to for past habits and states, okay? Well, I'm going to start with some examples. I feel it's important for you to get some examples, okay? And then we'll talk about the construction. But this is a simple video. It's a fast video, okay? Well, let's take a look at the first example here. Look at this sentence. I used to smoke cigarettes. This is me. This is my personal experience, okay? I used to smoke cigarettes. What does this mean? Well, let's think about it. I smoked cigarettes in the past, but now I don't smoke anymore, okay? So you see, used to gives an idea of a situation in the past that's different from your reality now, your situation now. Okay, so I used to smoke cigarettes. I smoked cigarettes in the past. Yes, I know it's a bad habit, but I smoke cigarettes, right? But now I don't smoke anymore. So you see, I used to smoke cigarettes means it's a past habit of mine, okay? I don't have this habit anymore, thank God, okay? All right, next example I have for you. Well, in this next example here, we're going to see, I used to be thinner. You see, I know that you're watching the video and the camera doesn't help. I'm not this fat, guys. It's just the camera, I'm telling you, okay? Well, anyways, I used to be thinner. And what does this mean? Well, in the past, I was thin, but now I'm a little fat, okay? Just a little bit, a little chubby, okay? What does this mean? Well, it's a past state. I used to be, okay? So you see, used to is fairly simple. You can talk about past states or past habits, all right? Now let's take a look at the construction. Let's see here. Well, I used to live in a house. Pay attention to the construction. We're going to use used to plus the verb in infinitive. So the construction is used to plus the verb in infinitive. Okay? This is for the affirmative sentence. Now pay attention because in the interrogative is a little different. Did you used to live in a house? Pay attention to this. Did you used to live in a house? So in the interrogative, you don't put the D. You have to remove the D. Okay? So, of course, you can see it here. Used to plus the infinitive in the interrogative. Okay? Now, please pay attention. The pronunciation is fairly equal. They're pretty similar. Let's take a look. I used to live in a house. Did you used to live in a house? But when you write, you have to remember that in the interrogative there is no D. Okay? All right, I got a couple more examples here for you. Let's take a look. Well, did you used to live in an apartment? Well, I didn't used to live in an apartment. Pay attention because in the negative, you don't use the D either, okay? So I didn't used to live in an apartment. I grew up living in houses, so I've always lived in houses, okay? I didn't used to live in an apartment until now. At the moment, I live in an apartment. Okay, guys, so pretty simple stuff. Used to talks about past habits or states. How your life or your personality, your body was different in the past from now. Okay? Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.